Hello everyone. Today we will analyze an interesting binary options indicator, Atomic Analyst. Its peculiarity is that it not only generates trading signals, but also provides an information panel with their statistics. This allows the trader not just to blindly follow the indicator's recommendations, but to analyze its effectiveness on different assets and timeframes. In this review, we will analyze the functionality of this tool, analyze its advantages and disadvantages, and also consider examples of its use in real trading. Let's install the Atomic Analyst indicator in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The indicator itself, like our template with all the settings, is installed in a standard way. Nothing complicated. You will find a link to the archive with the indicator and detailed instructions for installing it in the description under this video. Now let's look at the operating principle and key settings of this indicator. In fact, Atomic Analyst is a full-fledged trading system. Instead of classic Japanese candles and bars, this indicator builds a special type of chart. Green candles show an upward trend, red ones, a downward trend, and purple ones indicate a flat. In addition to the multicolored candles indicating the trend, the Atomic Analyst indicator displays profit-taking levels on the chart, which will be especially useful for Forex traders. The green dotted line marks the take-profit levels for buy trades, and the red one for sell trades. The choice of a certain level depends on the preferences of a particular trader and their risk tolerance. However, it should be borne in mind that the probability of reaching Take Profit 4 and Take Profit 5 levels is significantly lower than Take Profit 1 and Take Profit 3. Consider this in your trading. The main element of the Atomic Analyst indicator is its information panel. With its help, the trader sees the distribution of transactions by trading direction for the day, the current spread, trading statistics for his account, the percentage of profitable transactions separately for purchases and sales, the total profit factor for trading signals for the day, as well as separately for purchases and sales. In addition, the panel displays the current trading session and a trend meter, confirming the presence of a trend on various time frames. Due to its multifunctionality, this indicator has many settings. There is no point in considering all the parameters, as they are intuitively clear. We draw your attention only to the section of pop-up messages, alerts. If they are activated, the trader will not have to constantly monitor the market and the signals of this indicator. Once all the necessary conditions are met, a trading signal appears to open a call or put option in the form of a green or red triangle, respectively, which is signaled by a pop-up message. Let's consider the rules of trading binary options using this indicator. It is best to use Atomic Analyst in the direction of the main trend. The market trend itself should be determined by the trend meter readings in combination with the statistics of profitable trades. For example, the screen shows that most time frames on the trend meter are colored green. This means that the market trend is ascending. At the same time, the percentage of profitable call option trades is higher than that of put option trades. This further confirms the ascending track and indicates the preferred direction for trading. Therefore, the trader only needs to wait for a signal to buy a call option in the form of a green triangle under a green candle, ignoring signals to buy put option. Whatever the signals of the trading strategy, always pay special attention to the principle of capital management, since they can smooth out the negative impact of a series of losing trades that any trader periodically makes, regardless of trading experience. So, to open a call option, you need to: first, make sure that the market is in a bullish trend. On the trend meter, most time frames are green. Second, the buy %1 value on the info panel is above 80%. Third, a green triangle has appeared under the green candle. And fourth, at the opening of a new candle, we buy the call option. To open the put option, you need to, first, make sure that the market is in a bearish trend. Most time frames on the trend meter are red. Second, the sell %1 value on the info panel is above 80%. Third, a red triangle has appeared above the red candle. And fourth, at the opening of a new candle, we buy the put option. We recommend choosing the expiration time of 3 candles. Select the holding period of positions based on the results of testing on historical data. Now a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this indicator. We recommend using this indicator on assets with a high percentage of profitable transactions in the direction of the main trend. In this case, the trader will have not only a theoretical idea of the benefit of concluding transactions in the direction of the main trend, but also actual confirmation of this theory in the form of the win rate level. We would like to especially emphasize that the specific value of the percentage of profitable transactions on the office is to rely on when choosing a trading direction depends on the preferences of the trader himself. The value of 75% is more of a guideline than a clear instruction for action. Do not forget that the market is a living organism, and what worked well yesterday may show mediocre results today. The main thing is to raise the principle of trading itself and apply it depending on the selected asset and time frame. One of the advantages of this technical analysis tool can be considered the collection of statistics on your own trading signals. Thanks to this information, the user can assess the feasibility of trading a specific asset on a certain time frame. A convenient info panel and trend meter are a combination that will make your trading more predictable and profitable. Another undeniable advantage is ease of use. All you need is to find a suitable asset with a unidirectional trend on different time frames and a high percentage of profitable trades in the same direction. Then all you have to do is wait for the appropriate signal and open a trade. The disadvantage of this tool is the need for a long wait for the conditions for trading to be met. This is especially true for binary options brokers with a limited number of available assets. In this case, you can try switching to another time interval and check the effectiveness of the Atomic Analyst indicator signals on it. So, the Atomic Analyst binary options indicator is a successful combination of a trend approach and trading statistics. If the first increases the probability of getting profitable trades, then the second confirms or refutes our assumption on this account. Competent use of these fundamental principles will help to lead to good results. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that you need to learn how to use correctly. Be sure to check and test the indicator on a demo account of historical data without forgetting about the rules of risk and capital management. And also choose only proven brokers, which can be found on our website in our regularly updated rating. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website and you will be constantly updated with the latest news from the field of binary options trading, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you for your attention. We wish everyone good profit and safe trading, and so that you do not doubt the reliability of this indicator, we will demonstrate its work in real time and confirm that its signals are not repaint.